Did you know that protein can reduce hunger more than carbohydrates or fats? In fact, studies have shown that people who increase protein in their meals often eat less calories a day without even trying. That's because this one nutrient quietly does more work than most people realize. Today we're going to talk about protein. Stay tuned. Good morning everyone, and welcome back to Sun Up and Slimming Down. Today we're talking about the power of protein. In recent videos we've talked about carbohydrates and managing them wisely. But nutrition isn't about declaring one nutrient the hero and another the villain. The real goal is balance. And one of the nutrients that many people unknowingly don't get enough of is protein. But think about this. Protein has a unique ability to help us feel satisfied after eating. When you eat protein, your body releases hormones that signal your brain that you're full and you're satisfied. And that means a breakfast with protein like eggs and unsweetened Greek yogurt or cottage cheese can help you avoid that mid-morning hunger crash. Compare that to a breakfast that's mostly refined carbs and pastries and sugary cereal. You may feel full out the door for a short time, but hunger then returns quickly. Protein helps keep your energy steady and hunger under control. Your body needs protein for brain and muscle maintenance. Muscle isn't just for athletes and bodybuilders. Muscle tissue plays an important role in metabolism, in strength, in balance, and in healthy aging. As we all get older, maintaining muscle becomes even more important. Protein provides the building blocks your body needs to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Even moderate physical activity like walking or lifting light weights or gardening, combined with adequate protein, helps keep your body strong and capable. So why do many people undereat protein? Well, this is something that's very interesting. Studies show many people actually undereat protein, especially at breakfast. A typical day might look like at breakfast, toast or cereal; at lunch, a quick sandwich on the go. But dinner is typically the only real protein-heavy meal. And that means your body may go most of the day without enough protein to support energy and muscle maintenance. Spreading protein consumption throughout the day works much better. So what are some simple ways to add more protein? Well, the good news is adding protein doesn't require complicated meal plans. Simple ideas include eggs or, like I said, Greek yogurt at breakfast, adding chicken, tuna, or beans to a salad, cottage cheese or nuts as snacks, lean meat, fish, or legumes at dinner. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how full and energized you feel. You know, protein isn't a trendy diet trick. It's simply a fundamental nutrient that helps your body function well. It supports your muscles and your brain, but it also stabilizes your energy and it helps you stay satisfied longer. So sometimes better health isn't about extreme changes. It's about understanding the quiet power of the basics. If you found this helpful, click the like button and share the video so more people can discover Sun Up and Slimming Down. And if you enjoy simple ideas that help you start your day strong, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you will, also take a moment to check out some of the previous videos where we talk about carbohydrates, nutrition myths, and practical habits that support better health. Hey, thanks for joining me this morning. Stay motivated, stay focused, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next Sun Up and Slimming Down. Take care.